Hey everybody, it's Ian Cooper. I'm really looking forward to coming back to the Mothership NDC conference in Oslo in May. I'll be talking about responsibility-driven design. For those of you who don't know, it's kind of the missing part of the domain-driven design puzzle. It's referenced in Eric's book. Most of you don't know about it. I'm going to explain it to you when we get there. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you come and fill out the puzzle for you. Thank you very much. Don't forget, if you want to get early bird tickets and save some money, February 14th is the deadline.